Using a digital marketing platform, we can extend our market, what and all the electronic media is available, how I can reach my customer in one time, one place. If any producer offering a product, if any customers are purchasing, they are spreading a message for other person. Strategic means something like innovative, they want to stand in the long period. So the strategic decisions, it helps to identify opportunity. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all. I am Natesh, lecturer in commerce, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, MYSURU, the Temple of Excellence. We are in the Unit 1, Session 3, first semester BCom Principles of Marketing. The chapter name is Introductions to Marketing. You will get to know the scope of marketing and evaluation of marketing and marketing management meaning and marketing management importance. Okay, moving forward one by one. So the first one, the scope of marketing. Because the marketing is a very important department which is generating a revenue for any company. So the scope of marketing, why it is very important. The first one, product management. So because of consumers' expectation, because of consumer needs, the company are offering a many product. So now the company want to design, okay, the product which is including a design, packaging, pricing strategy, innovation. When you are trying to compare with your competitors, so the product which is what and all the mixture is having, okay, obviously which is talking related to complete mixture of product. Either you are talking related to packaging, branding, designing, okay, so which is marketing is focusing on the product management. Now second one, marketing research. Why the marketing research is very important for marketing department only? Because now consumers preference competition data, the data collection. Now marketers want to take a proper decision how they want to prepare set a strategy for promotional strategy, pricing strategy. So how you will get to know the field information from the customer, what they are exactly expecting, if there is any similar product are available in the market. So because of marketing research only we will get to know. So next one, pricing strategy. It's very important for any company before fixing any product. So they want to study the competitor, what pricing they are quoting, the pricing compared to other substitute product. The pricing you cannot blindly fix. So what and all the factors are influencing to fix a proper price, affordable price the consumers are purchasing product. So that's what the pricing strategy. So the collection of data before fixing a price for the specific product or service. Now next one, distribution and logistics. As a producer, whatever they are offering a product with the proper channels only which is reaching to the end consumption, either one channel of distributions like a producer are producing a product, so they are selecting like a wholesaler, and finally which is going for the consumer, which is one mediators we are finding. So the flow of product from the production point up to consumption point. So obviously we need to study the distribution and logistics, how you are carrying. So efficient distribution channel if you implemented, of course you can reach your consumer the timely. If the product is available, the consumers are purchasing your product because of availability is very important, right? Next one, the promotion and advertising. Any product which is new to market, you need to promote your product. Either you are selecting a proper promotional tools like advertising, personal selling, sales promotional activity, public relation, how you are promoting your product. So you need to study, you have to set a proper strategy for the promotion compared to your competitor, how you can reach your target audience, target consumers. So with the help of promotions, so which is also marketing tip, the scope of marketing. And the sales and customer relationship management. So every company are focusing on sales, how they can increase the sales. Either if I select any specific area where exactly consumers are located, how they are showing their interest, how I can make them to purchase my product or getting a service from my company. And and even the customer only pre-sales is actually after purchasing a product from your company product. Of course, the consumers are facing any problem which is related to product or using okay, so there are different problems will be handled by the customer relationship management. So you will get the data. If there is any solution, if there is any problem the consumers are finding, we are collecting a data from the customer relationship management so that we can implement for future. So next one, international marketing. So we are not only focusing for the local market or regional market or national market. Again, we need to extend our market. So we have to collect what and all the data which is related to the international market. Globally, we need to compete with the global economic. So obviously, international marketing is very important. So with the help of marketing only. Next one, sustainability and ethics. So everything do or do not. Sustainability, we need to run our business for long period, not for 1 day or 2 days. So when you have to sustain for the long period, the sustainability, the marketing is taking a proper decisions related to sustainability and ethics, which is talking related to marketing ethics, either which is a competition, either your advertising, what kind of things you have to implement for just for good progress. And of course, the digital marketing, we are standing in the 21st century. Of course, we need to go for the digital marketing platform. Using a digital marketing platform, we can extend our market, what and all the electronic media is available, how I can reach my customer in one time, one place. Okay, so the entire capturing of market share using a digital marketing also very important. There are different platforms are available for the businessman. As a marketers, they want to get to know what kind of trends are available, digital marketing. Moving forward, so yeah, when we are talking related to evaluations of marketing, because evaluation means what, something changes according to the century. Okay, so how the marketing tools and techniques, the program strategy, what and all they adapted according to the century. So now the first one, the traditional marketing. So if any producer producing a product with the intentions to offer, okay, fulfill the consumer's requirement, so of course the marketing is playing a very vital role. So here when they are approaching, they are using something, a promotional strategy or just the way of communications. Okay, here under traditional marketing pre 20th century, either you are talking related to 18th century or 19th century. So I am just saying for the 20th century, the marketing is focusing based on the word of mouth. Because if any producer offering a product, if any customers are purchasing, they are spreading a message for other person. Okay, based on the satisfaction, based on the consumption, they are trying to convey the message, which is nothing but the word of mouth. Okay, which is way of communication. Okay, so next one, the print media. We are completely focusing on the print media, not for digital print media. So here only in the pre-20th century, the print media, either it is the product is offering, creating an advertising for the using a newspaper, magazine, okay, players. Okay, next last one, trade show. Now the trade show means what, the producer what and all they are offering for the consumer. So they are demonstrating or displaying in a specific trade show. So that is also creating awareness for the consumers. Next one, mass media marketing. Now 20th century, we are talking related to 20th century, how there is a marketing changes we are finding. Okay, so the first one, radio and television. Now radio, there are either private competitors or government like Doordarshan. Now if you are talking related to radio, radio is which is a convey message for the end consumers. Okay, now the televisions, there are plenty of television service provider offering a service to the end consumer. Okay, the audience, they will get to know there are different product and service available. Okay, next one, the print media. Again, the print media not only for the newspaper, magazine, journals. Okay, next one, billboard. Billboard, which is an outdoor display displayed by the businessman. So just for creating an awareness. Now, when we are talking related to digital revolution, late 20th century, so the first one, internet marketing. Internet marketing is booming now. So every consumer, every individuals, every businessman are getting a benefit using an internet source. Okay, now creating an awareness. There are too many service or product are offering to the end consumer, so they will get to know there are different product is available using an internet service, so which is a benefit to the consumer to consumer or business to consumer. Okay, everybody is getting a benefit. Next one, search engines, which is nothing but the Google searching. Whenever you have any requirement of product or service, you are just for searching with the help of Google search. Okay, so easily you will get there are too many product the similar product what you are searching, which is listing out, so you are choosing a right product or service whatever which is required. Now the social media, because everyone is using an Android phone or Windows phone or laptop, so they have at least they have an account for the Twitter or social media like a Facebook or YouTube. So the company are getting a lot of advantages using a social media. They are creating an awareness. Suppose you are watching one serious video, and in the meanwhile there is one video when advertise is coming. There is a two types of advertises coming. One is skippable and non-skippable. Now next one, email marketing. Now the company having a website, they are keep on sending a mail to the individual customers. Okay, the consumers, that is the individual mail are sent to the consumer. If they are really interested, they are responding, they are sending a reply for the email whatever they send for the businessman. Now moving for the fourth one, data-driven marketing, 21st century data-driven, which is completely the data is collected from the consumer point, computations, what consumers are looking, what exactly they are searching. So which is an automated and semi-automated. Okay, so now analytics. Now for example, any customers are looking like electronic device. So once they search, the data is automatically analyzed using an analytical tool, artificial example. Now personalizing, because once the consumers are what and all they searching, which is a listed, which is analytical tools can be understanding the similar product again next time when they are watching the similar product which is going through with the help of social media, which is blinking, like for example article X is they are searching, article B also which is similar product, so next time which is reflecting in your dashboard, right? Next one, search engine optimization and content marketing. Search engine optimization, which is coming under the digital marketing. Search engine, as a consumers, what and all they want, like which is physical product or service. So with the help of Google, they are searching, which is nothing but a search engine optimization, and content marketing, which is nothing but, so as a businessman, they are not forcing for the consumer to purchase product. So they are preparing a content such a way that the content writing is very important. So the content only attracting for the consumer. So that is nothing but your content marketing. Next one, influencer marketing, which is nothing but any person can influence, either the brand ambassador or your family member or any colleague or classmate or your friend circle. They can influence if they are already purchased. Okay, based on the review writing. So each and every consumers are influenced by one or another person. Next, when we are talking related to mobile marketing, 21st century, each and every company, okay, so if they have a capability to develop the app, so first one is a mobile app, because which is a free access, because everybody is using Android and Windows phone. So obviously with the help of Google Play Store, okay, specific app they are installing according to their expectation. So easily they can get an access. Like if you take example for Amazon, if you are purchasing any product with the help of Amazon platform, you need to install for the Amazon app. If you are interested to go for eBay or Shopee or Myntra, so which is a specific app is developed by the individual company with the intentions to benefit for the consumers. Next, SMS and push notification. So everybody is using a phone, right? Android phone or normal phone. So each and every time when their company are targeting customers, they are sending, or consumers, they are sending a message towards the product and service, whatever they are offering for the consumer. So with the help of message and notifications, because if there is any offered which is given to the consumers, which is reflecting, the notification is reflecting, the consumer is showing, then they are showing the interest to purchase the product or service. Next one, location based marketing, because especially the product or service offer for the specific location, okay, with the help of specific location, with the help of GPS, okay, so we are targeting a consumer because the consumers are located in the specific location. Okay, next one, the content marketing and inbound marketing, 21st century. The content marketing, again, with the help, as a businessman, they are not forcing for the consumer to purchase product. Now they are preparing a content, based on the content only consumers are attracted. So that is a content strategy. And next one, inbound marketing means actually now the business are located, business are establishing in the innovative manner. So easily the customers, consumers are attracted towards the shop or product. So they only coming and searching the product. So the business are not forcing, right? So the consumers are attracted towards the product. So that is a inbound marketing, means actually very simple. The consumer are attracted towards the product or service, whatever they offered by the businessman. Next one, blogging, which is image, text, video, and podcast, which is using an audio clip. So we are trying to focusing a consumers. And videos, certain videos are motivating or influencing for the consumer to buy your product, so which is coming under the content marketing and inbound marketing. Moving forward, next one, marketing management. So if you are trying to do for marketing in MBA, so there is one specific area after completion your graduation. So marketing department, the MBA marketing, MBA production, MBA in finance, MBA in HR. So the marketing department, which is a very essential department for generating a revenue for any businessman. So obviously marketing management means you need to manage different M's. So here the meaning, marketing management refers to the process of planning, organizing, implementing, controlling and organization marketing activity, achieving its goal and objective. The marketing related what and all the activity or function. So the marketing manager are responsible to follow the management functions. So even other department also, they want to follow the management function. Even the marketing department also, they are following, they are planning, they are organizing, they are implementing and activity. There are different activity which is including advertising, promotions, everything. Next one, it involves analyzing market trend. Of course, you need to analyze according to the trend only. We need to offer the product for the consumer, then only you can sustain for the long period. And identify target audience. So any product, there are million of products are offering by the businessman. So you need to identify who is your target audience, how you can offer, how you can tackle them, and developing a marketing strategy. There are different marketing strategy are adapted by based on the geography, based on the demographical factor, based on the consumer behavior. The strategy also designed here. And overseeing the execution of marketing campaign. So you need to such a way that you need to tackle, you need to create awareness, you have to capture the consumer using a marketing tactic. Okay, moving forward, marketing management important. Why the marketing management is very important for the present trend here, and the strategic decisions making. Strategic means something like innovative. They want to stand in the long period. So the strategic decisions, it helps to identify opportunity. So what opportunity it is available in the market. So they try to get a benefit with the help of opportunity. So accessing marketing demand. So you need to forecast for the demand. What is the demand for my product and service, whatever I am offering for the consumer. So you need to study the market demand. So that's what that strategic decision, not only for the demand analysis and setting a marketing objective. You need to set an objective, either you're setting based on the time period or based on the goal oriented. So your objective can be set, marketing department, and align with the overall business goal. So anyway, the production department, they start producing. The marketing department, in between there are a number of departments are working. Finally the revenue generations will be happening with the help of marketing department or marketing management. So they need to go for planning. After planning, they want to take a decision. So the relevant data they want to collect, they want to set. Now customer satisfaction is very important, because if the customers are really satisfied, then again and again they are purchasing product, then we can say there is a retain the customer. So they can refer the other customers to purchase our product. So the customer satisfaction based also the marketing management, they want to work out. So enhance the customer satisfaction, loyalty and retention is very important. If they are purchasing one time, if they are not satisfied, next time they never go to purchase your product again. Okay, next one, competitive advantages. If the marketing department, if there is an exist, of course they want to analyze the competitors. So who is offering the similar product what I am offering here, the same thing, analysis which is related to competitive, either what kind of strategy they adapted, how I can improve my competitive strategy. It offers establishing a strong brand and positioning itself effectively in the market. So whatever you are offering a product, easily the customer can recognize your product, which is nothing but the product image is sitting in the customer mind, so that they can purchase your product. So the competition advantages. Next one, resource allocation. So there are each and every department, they are connected directly or indirectly, they connected using a different resource. So here there are different resources like budget, a marketing budget, either advertising related, promotion related, or demand or remarketing research. What resource is required here, and budget also you need to prepare here. If the marketing department majorly they are preparing a sales budget, okay. And the manpower, what is the manpower is required to reach different target markets, okay. So whom you can approach, who is your target manpower, okay. And the time basis, you need to succeed timely, right? So that's what you are fixing, framing a policy or strategy or program towards the time basis. And by prioritizing the marketing initiative, you need to take an initiative. Unless you are not taking initiative, you cannot reach your market, you cannot capture your market share. So that are most likely to yield positive return on the investment. Whatever the producer or businessman are investing, okay, they want to recover with the help of marketing department. They need to go for planning it properly, taking a right decisions, right time. Next one, marketing research. Under marketing, there are different sub-activities going on. Sub-departments are working like advertising, sales department, promotional department, and even the major department called marketing research. If any product they want to develop with the help of marketing research, R&D department, research and development department, they try to collect data from the consumer. Either it is a primary data or secondary data, what products are available in the market, how I can go for innovative my product, how they want to adapt in the different manner. So valuable insight in the consumer behavior, because the consumer are changing according to the trend. So obviously as a businessman, you need to change according to trend, then only you can sustain for the long period. So that's why the marketing research there, search is only one time, research again and again you need to. So once you are developing a product, at least a life cycle of the product will be, you have to study properly. So, and the market trend, what and all the trend is available, how I can approach use using a different trend, and competitors and activity, what kind of activity they adopted, okay, what kind of strategy the competitors are following, how I can improve, what is market share in the different geographical location or segment, and the revenue generation. No doubt the marketing department, marketing management, they want to generate a revenue. Okay, so obviously an effective marketing management strategy can lead to increase the sales and revenue. When you are increasing sales, there is no doubt there is a revenue generation. Okay, if the product is having a life cycles which is starting from the introduction and growth and maturity and decline, so you need to follow according to the product life cycle. So then they are trying to set a strategy. And the product development, now any businessman or any producer, they are not blindly producing nowadays, because based on the consumer needs and wants, preference, what exactly they are expecting. Okay, now if you take example software, there are different versions is going according to versions. Okay, according to consumer expectation, when you start producing, which is nothing but the new product development. Okay, so you cannot stick in one specific product, you need to diversify your product. So using a product development concept here, insight from the market can guide the development of new product, improvement of the existing product. If there is a existing product which is already available in the market, how I can modify the product, so how I can add more benefit for the product, so then only the consumers are accepting, they are purchasing a product. If I start producing a product, something which is I am giving a priority for the consumer based on the consumer expectation, if I start producing product, I can sustain for a long period. I am able to compete with my competitor because I am offering a better product. And brand building, so it is very important under the brand product mix. A brand is coming under the product mix. Okay, so the marketing management is essential for building and maintaining a strong brand identity. For example, Nike, Reebok, okay, so Adidas. So this is a footwear segment. So easily the brand is already established. The consumers are able to purchase the product. You need to build your own brand. If any product is newly introducing in the market, so how I can build my brand? So using a different branding strategy. Keep on watch for next section. Thank you.